It's your girl Claudia here back. What's up with you? Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Claudia here back at it again with another video. Yes. Today's video is about, if you cannot tell by the title already, it is about a face mask that is taking the beauty community by storm. Don't know why I'm clapping so hard. It is the one and only Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask. Here she is in all its glory. Yes. Now I've been hearing many good things about this clay mask here on YouTube. Hashtag YouTube made me buy it. So we're gonna hop on the bandwagon here and try and see what she's all about. And if you'd like to see a demo and a review on this Indian Healing Clay Mask, be sure to stick around. Oh, I have that coming for you. But without further ado, here comes the plug. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, okay? You know it was coming. Subscribe, it's free. It doesn't cost anything. Support your girl. As Auntie Jackie likes to say, don't be a 53%er, okay? I can tell in my analytics how many of y'all are subscribed and not subscribed, and the ratio is pretty off, okay? So make sure you subscribe so you never miss any more content from your girl, and let's get into this video. Okay, so what you're going to need, a couple items that you're going to need is obviously the product itself. Apple cider vinegar. I didn't get the Brags, I got the organic great value from Wally World, a big jar. As you can see, I've gone through a good bit of it. I've been trying to every morning take apple cider vinegar shots because it's good for my gut. I'm not gonna say I enjoy it because I don't, but I just kind of just take her back and I just hit 100 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Random as hell, but you know, how to document it. So you're gonna need a non-metal utensil. Whoa, that is stiff. A non-metal utensil, and it says not to mix anything with anything. What? It says not to mix the product with anything metal, so hence you need plastic or what other material is there? Plastic or paper material. It's been a long day, guys. But first, guys, what I did not film is just to make sure, this is the third step in my skincare routine. Before you take this step, the first two steps that I want you to do is make sure you cleanse as well as exfoliate before you follow up with a mask. And the product that I use to cleanse is Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser. I like this because it is non-comedogenic. I cannot pronounce some words. Sorry.
Oh, you are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
It is non-comedogenic, which basically means, I know that's a big word, but let me break it down, dig it down for you, okay? I got you. Non-comedogenic, or however that you say it, means basically that it does not clog your pores. So it's always very good to find products anywhere across your skincare or beauty routine that does not clog your pores, because no one wants clogged pores here, okay? We want her to be free and breathe and feel very soft and supple and be able to just flourish. The strawberry black sugar wash off face mask, I do like this because it is like full of fruits and nutrients for your face. It's almost like food therapy for your face. It is an exfoliator. Sugar's a good exfoliator. I was weird about using sugar on my face because I've tried like DIY like sugar face scrubs, and that kind of took a left field, let's say. I woke up the next day not looking like myself, okay? So that was bad. So I was a little hesitant in picking this up, but pick it up, please. You won't be sorry. Now you're probably asking yourself, but why? Why should I cleanse and exfoliate before I mask? And just think about it, right? Just think about it like this, right? How are all the ingredients in your face mask going to like penetrate in your face if you have a layer of dead skin cells on your face? It's just not going to do the job. So why waste your time in doing this without doing that? So let me quit all this rambling. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! An education. Okay, I had to do it because, right, I just figured why not. It is a health and beauty video, and why not just give you a little bit of, let me just school you on some things, people, okay? It says mix clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar, check, and or water. Use a non-metal bowl and utensil. Stir the mixture well to a smooth paste. Add more clay if needed. Okay, so basically you mix of this, mix of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Keep her on. Excuse me. Keep her on for about 15 to 20 minutes. I swear he's doing this to annoy me. Stop! Keep her on for about 15 to 20 minutes depending on your skin, and you should look like a new woman. Alright, let's try it, okay? What I'm going to do is take a scoop of the clay. Ooh, that's a lot. I feel like that's a lot. So I'm going to do like half it because my face is not that big. I feel like that's a lot. Take the apple cider vinegar and just, I guess, I don't even know. I'm gonna just do a capful of that. It's like bubbling, y'all. It's bubbling. Can you hear it? Probably not, because he won't stop shaking the Pringles can. I probably need a little bit more. Add a little bit more of the ACV. The smell is alright. I got used to it, you know. But listen, if it's gonna make me look like a goddess, I will do it. You want some of that? Now, as you know, there's a lot of very good benefits to ACV. I know there's a lot. They put it in a lot of like facial products because it does help brighten up your skin. So I'm all for it. What I also like to do is just take a clean rag such as this. I just got it from Walmart because I love Walmart. Who doesn't? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and just kind of douse it in some hot water, squeeze it out, nuke it for about 5 to 10 seconds, and I like to like just press it on my face. It just, I don't know, I feel like it allows the mask to really get in there in my pores and suck all the gunk out. So I will be right back. Okay. I don't know if you can see this. See the steam on that, so I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, be careful, please. I'm not responsible if you burn yourself. And press it into my skin. Like so. And just keep it on there for a little bit. Press it in. Eesh. Woo! Alright, so I'm gonna take this mask here. Grab my mirror so I don't, blocking it. I'm just gonna apply a thick layer of this mask, like so. Okay, yeah, so I am done here. I am looking like a crazy person, and I'm gonna let it dry for about 20 minutes. Right now it is 12:56 in the PM. And I will let it dry for 20 minutes like the directions say, and I'll be back to show you. Oh, I guess while I'm waiting for it to dry, I guess I can tell you some of the benefits of what this mask consists of, which is benzonite. It's made of 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is apparently like a multi-purpose ingredient. It can be used on the skin, it can be used in your hair, it can be used on your armpits, it can be used for bug bites, a face mask, a detox bath, or for your oral health. I mean, and even people like drink it. So here's how I'm looking like a freaking crazy person. How do I feel? This, obviously, a mask is meant to like draw out your impurities, draw out the toxins, take out all the blackheads, whiteheads, all the shit you don't want in your face. Okay, so it is currently It is currently 1:20 p.m. I've had her on for a little bit over 20 minutes, but that's okay. I cannot really like move my face. It kind of feels weird, like my whole face is on Botox, you know. But I'm gonna go rinse her off and come back with a fresh face and finish my skincare routine, okay? So the next step in my skincare routine, I know this is like aside from the mask, but just figured I might as well finish it off. The next step is to tone. You just want to go back over it and just lightly tone your skin to further take out any impurities, dirt, oil, makeup, anything like that. I think I put too much on the cotton ball, y'all. What the hell? Don't do what I just did, okay? Jesus. Okay guys, so the next step in my skincare routine is to use this vitamin C serum by Instant Naturals. I got this on Amazon. Now, I love this product because it contains my number one favorite ingredient, okay? It is hyaluronic acid. I know, acid, woo, I don't want it on my face, but listen, it does not burn. It does not do anything negative to your skin. Quite frankly, it does the opposite. What I do, I'm almost done actually. That's upsetting. Okay, so I just take some. Oh my goodness. There we go. I take some. How cute is this little syringe? I take some and I just, let me Instagram it. Ready? And I just pat it into the skin. Do not like rub it into your face. Just pat it into your skin, and it just allows your face to absorb it better and allowing you to make sure you get every square inch of your face. The next step I do is go in with my moisturizer. My moisturizer is a drug-free moisturizer. It is a Neutrogena oil-free sensitive skin moisturizer. How many times will I say moisturizer? Anyways, I just take a couple pumps of that and mix them, and rub her into my face, okay? I love it because it's just non-greasy. I don't say I don't like non-greasy. I do like a greasier formula. Like for bedtime, I like to go to bed looking like an oil greased up monkey, just because I don't know. I love it. Especially for overnight. Sometimes when it's a little bit drying. I live here in Minnesota and sometimes the air is dry and my face is not a fan, so I just combat that by adding a lot of moisturizer and layers of moisture hydration products. What? Anyways, you catch my drift, right? I'm just gonna follow that with my Aquaphor, you know what it is. I mean, you see it all over the internet. It is an ointment. Comparable products, I guess, would be like CeraVe or like what is it? Can't think of it. Eucerin. Again, rub it into my fingers and pat it into my skin. Okay guys, so that is it. That concludes this video. If you liked it or learned something, please make sure you give it a thumbs up for me. It really helps out the video. And also, subscribe if you loved it. Subscribe if you want to see more content from me. If you feel me, if you like me, please be my virtual friend and subscribe. Alright, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. See you later.